At the information desk.
Excuse me,
Yes, hello. How can I help you?
this is my first time flying alone. I'm a bit lost.
No problem at all. Don't worry. Which airline are you flying with?
Sky World Airlines. I'm going to New York.
Great. Do you have your ticket with you?
Yes, it's on my phone. Here.
Thank you. One moment. Okay, you leave from Terminal 2. The SkyWorld check-in is at counters B10 to B15.
Terminal 2, B10 to B15. Where is Terminal 2 from here?
Go straight ahead down this hall. Then take the escalator up one floor. After that, follow the blue signs for Terminal 2.
Straight, then up, then follow the blue signs. How long does it take to walk there?
About 5 minutes. You have plenty of time.
My flight is at 6:30 p.m. Is it on time?
Let me check. Yes, Flight 472 is on time. Boarding starts at 5:50 p.m.
Okay, that makes me feel better. I was afraid I would miss something.
You're doing fine. Just go step by step and follow the signs.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a great flight to New York.
Thanks. Time to find Terminal 2.
Hi, excuse me. Is this the check-in for Sky World to New York?
Yes, it is. Good afternoon. May I see your passport, please?
Of course. Here's my passport and my ticket on my phone.
Thank you, Emma. One moment while I find your booking.
At the check-in counter.
Okay, I see it. SkyWorld Flight 472 to New York at 6:30 p.m.
Yes, that's my flight.
Are you checking any bags today?
Yes, this big suitcase. I'll keep this backpack with me.
Perfect. Please place your suitcase on the scale.
Sure. Is it too heavy?
No, it's fine. It's under the limit.
Great. I was a little worried.
Do you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat?
Could I have a window seat, please?
Let me see. Yes, I have a window in row 18. That will be seat 18A by the window. Is that okay?
That's perfect. Thank you.
Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is A14 and boarding starts at 5:50 p.m.
Gate A14, boarding at 5:50. I'll remember that.
Very good. After this, you go straight ahead to security.
Okay, so security is the next step.
Yes, just follow the signs for security, then for gate A14.
This is my first time flying alone, so I'm a bit nervous.
You're doing great so far. Just take your time.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful flight to New York.
Thanks. Bye.
At security.
Hi there. Boarding pass and passport, please.
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Are you traveling alone today?
Yes, it's just me. It's my first time flying alone.
No problem. I'll help you. Please put your backpack on the belt.
Like this?
Yes, that's perfect. Do you have a laptop in your bag?
Yes, I do.
Please take it out and put it in a separate tray.
Okay, one tray for my laptop.
Great. Do you have any liquids, like water, cream, or shampoo?
I have a small bag with bottles.
They must be small and in a clear plastic bag.
Yes, I already put them in a clear bag.
Perfect. Put that bag in the tray too.
Done.
Now, empty your pockets, please. Phone, keys, coins.
Here's my phone and my keys.
Good. Put them in this small tray.
All right.
When you're ready,
Walk through the scanner.
Okay. Now?
Yes, go ahead.
Oh, no beep.
That means everything is fine. You can collect your things on the other side.
Great. Is my laptop okay here?
Yes, it's safe. Just don't leave it behind.
I won't. Thanks for being so kind.
You're welcome. The departure gates are straight ahead.
Perfect. New York, here I come.
Passport control.
Good afternoon. Passport and boarding pass, please.
Good afternoon. Here you go.
Thank you, Emma. Where are you flying to today?
I'm flying to New York.
And what is the purpose of your trip?
Vacation. I'm going for a short holiday.
How long will you stay in New York?
For 10 days.
Are you traveling alone?
Yes, just me. It's my first time flying alone.
I see. Is this your first time in the United States?
Yes, it is.
Sounds exciting. Do you have a return ticket booked?
Yes, my return flight is on the 20th.
Very good. Everything looks fine.
Great, thank you.
I'll stamp your passport now.
Okay.
Here you are. You can go to the gate area now.
Do I just follow the gates/departures signs?
Yes, that's right. Just follow the signs.
Thank you.
Have a good flight to New York, Emma.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
At the coffee shop.
Hi there. What can I get you today?
Hi, can I have a small latte, please?
Sure. Any sugar or syrup?
Just a little sugar, thanks.
No problem. Drinking here or taking it away?
Here, please. And can I ask you something?
Of course. What's up?
My phone battery is almost empty. Can I charge it here?
Yes, no problem. There's a power outlet by that corner table.
Oh, great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Do you need the Wi-Fi too?
Yes, please. That would really help.
The network is Airport Cafe, and the password is Latte 2025.
Got it. Thanks.
Long travel day?
Yes, I already took one flight this morning.
Wow. Where are you flying now?
To New York with SkyWorld. It's my first time there.
Nice. New York is an amazing city.
I'm a bit nervous. I'm flying alone.
That's normal. Once you land, you'll be more excited than scared.
I hope so.
Here's your latte.
It smells great.
Your gate should be on the screen over there if you need to check.
Yes, my gate is A14. I'll go there after I charge my phone.
Sounds like a plan. Enjoy your coffee and your trip.
Thank you, Luke. You've been very kind.
At the gate.
Excuse me, sorry to bother you.
No problem at all. How can I help?
I'm a little confused. Is this the gate for SkyWorld Flight 472 to New York?
Yes, it is. This is gate A14 for flight 472.
Oh, good. I was afraid I was in the wrong place.
You're in the right place, don't worry.
What time does the flight leave?
The flight is scheduled for 6:30 p.m.
And what time does boarding start?
Boarding starts at 5:50 p.m.
Okay, so about 40 minutes before.
Exactly. We'll call each group over the speakers.
Do you board by seat number?
We board by groups. Your group is written on your boarding pass.
Let me see. Here, it says Group 3.
Yes, you are in Group 3. We will call Group 1, then 2, then 3.
Great, that's clear. Do I need anything ready?
Yes, please keep your passport and boarding pass in your hand.
Is the digital pass on my phone okay?
Yes, that's fine. Just make sure your screen is bright.
Got it. Is the flight full today?
Yes, it's quite full. Please stay close to the gate. Have a great flight to New York.
Thanks, Sophie. I'll wait right here by the gate.
Flight delay.
Excuse me, Sophie? I just heard the announcement.
Yes, hello again. How can I help you, Emma?
Did it say Flight 472 is delayed?
That's right. The new departure time is 7:15 p.m.
Oh, I see. How long is the delay really?
It's a short delay, about 45 minutes.
Why is it delayed? Is something wrong?
No, nothing serious. The plane arrived late from another city.
So the aircraft is not here yet.
It just landed. They're cleaning it and getting it ready now.
Will we still arrive in New York tonight?
Yes, you will still arrive tonight, just a little later than planned.
That's a relief. I was worried about my hotel check-in.
Most hotels are used to flight delays. You should be fine.
What time will boarding start now?
We plan to start boarding at about 6:45 p.m. when the plane is ready.
Okay, so I should stay close to the gate?
Yes, please stay in this area and listen for new announcements.
Do we get any water or a snack because of the delay?
The delay is short, so there's no voucher this time. But there is a water fountain just over there if you're thirsty.
All right, that's good to know. Thank you for explaining everything so clearly.
You're welcome. I know delays can be stressful.
Yes, but I feel calmer now that I understand.
I'm glad to hear that. We'll get you to New York as soon as we can.
Thank you, Sophie. I'll wait near the gate.
Perfect. I'll make an announcement when it's time to board.
Seat mix-up.
Excuse me, I think this is my seat.
Oh, really? I thought it was mine.
My boarding pass says 18A, the window seat.
Let me check. Mine also says 18A. That's strange.
Is this row 18? Maybe I read it wrong.
Yes, look, the number here is 18. We're in the right row.
Maybe one of us is on the wrong flight?
No, my ticket says Skyworld 472 to New York.
Mine too. Same flight, same seat number.
Wait, let me look again. Oh, I see now. My seat is actually 18B, not 18A. I missed the letter.
Oh, so A is the window and B is the middle.
Exactly. I just saw the 18 and stopped reading. My mistake.
Don't worry. I felt confused too for a second.
It's okay. I'll move to 18B. The window is yours.
Thank you. That's very kind of you.
No problem. Are you flying to New York for the first time?
Yes, it's my first time. I'm a little nervous.
You'll be fine. The view from that window is amazing at takeoff.
Then I'm glad we fixed the seats. Now I'm excited too.
Great. If you need any help with forms or anything, just ask.
I will. And thanks again for being so nice about the mix-up.
Talking to the seatmate.
So, Emma, are you going for work or vacation?
Vacation. Just 1 week. I want to see as much as I can.
Nice. How long is your flight from here?
I think a little over 7 hours.
Plenty of time to relax. Do you have any plans yet?
A few. I wrote Times Square and Statue of Liberty in my notes.
Good choices. Add Central Park to your list.
Central Park. Is it really that special?
Yes, it's calm and green in the middle of the city. Great for a walk.
That sounds perfect. I like quiet places.
Also, wear comfortable shoes. New York means a lot of walking.
Okay, note taken. No high heels then.
Exactly. And you should try New York pizza at least once.
I've heard about that. Is it really that good?
It is. Big slices, soft in the middle, crispy on the edge.
Now I'm hungry.
See? You're already thinking like a New York visitor.
I still feel a little scared, but also excited.
That's the best mix. A little fear,
a lot of adventure.
Thank you, Mark. Talking to you helps. I feel calmer now.
I'm glad. If you have any questions during the flight, just ask.
I will. For now, I'm going to look out the window.
Good idea. Takeoff looks beautiful from that seat.
Okay, I think I'm ready for New York.
Lost suitcase.
Excuse me, hi.
Hello. Welcome to New York. How can I help you?
I just arrived on Skyworld Flight 472 from London. My suitcase didn't come on the belt.
I'm sorry to hear that. Did you wait until the carousel stopped?
Yes, I waited until the screen changed. Everyone left, but my bag never appeared.
Okay, we'll try to find it. Do you have your baggage tag?
Yes, it's on my boarding pass. Here.
Thank you. I'll type the number into the system. Can you describe your suitcase for me?
It's a silver hard suitcase, medium size, with a blue ribbon on the handle.
Got it. Silver case, blue ribbon. One moment. I see it in the computer.
Is it lost?
No, not lost. It stayed in London and will come on the next flight.
Oh, okay. I was really worried.
I understand. It should arrive later tonight.
Do I have to come back to the airport?
No, we can deliver it to you. What is your hotel address?
I'm staying at the City View Hotel in Manhattan.
City View Hotel. All right, I've added that. When the suitcase arrives, we'll send it to your hotel. You should get it tomorrow morning.
That's a big relief. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Emma. Here is a reference number for your bag.
Should I keep this paper?
Yes, please. If you have questions, call the number on it.
Okay. Thank you for being so kind.
Of course. Enjoy your stay in New York, even without the suitcase tonight.
I'll try. At least I know it's coming.
Exactly. Have a good evening, Emma.